With so many of us spending more time in the kitchen, we need some unique meal ideas and bold flavors to mix up meal planning, like a movie night snack board, the ultimate pancake breakfast sandwich, irresistible waffle fry skillet nachos, or how about a quick lemon pie mousse, all made with some freezer shortcuts. Look no further than your local frozen food aisle to get a little meal inspiration and to beat that cooking fatigue. So many innovative frozen foods mean that you can find something for every dietary and lifestyle need, including plant-based and gluten-free, organic, and more. And with March being National Frozen Food Month, you're sure to find lots of deals in your grocer's freezer aisle. So it's the perfect time to stock up on your favorites or try something new. For more recipes and meal ideas and to enter the $10,000 sweepstakes, visit easyhomemeals.com.